It's kind of cool, actually. Keep going, keep going. We're storm chasers!
Yeah.
Here we go! Oh, this is so cool. I'm like videos.
I think people are kind of waiting for it to
Just keep going.
pass by.
I'm not a chicken. Unless it starts picking up things, then we'll stop.
Yeah, it's like I don't see anything flying in the air.
No, there's still people there.
Hardly a breeze. It's like whatever.
It seems like it's going more out this way.
Yeah, it is traveling that way.
I'm still recording.
There's hardly even a breeze either. It's like it's not even.
There. Oh, it's going away. Bunch of chicken shits. Come on now. That's only an F1. That's not gonna hurt you. Yeah, look at that white cloud. Oh, it's forming again.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Off and
Recording it. It's okay.
Yeah, get picked up by a tornado.
No, we're okay, babe. It's okay. Look at it. It's going up. We can show Rachel this.
Yeah.
We will.
If we make it.
We are now driving into a volcano.
A volcano.
We're now driving into a tornado. That's what happened. Oh, look at that person windmill, man. On their top of their house.
I wouldn't even drive through it if I didn't see other people doing the same thing.
If there was a whole lineup of cars and they're not going this way,
everybody was stopped, yeah.
then I
I'd
would,
be
but
worried
I'm not worried about that. Everyone stopped to watch.
I'm going right through.
It's not even touching the ground, it's just floating in the air. But it is cool though. I'm still recording a little bit. Let's go. I'm still recording. Oh, don't worry, I'm not recording everybody. I'm just recording the storm thing. Gophers, go hide.
I go first. Why am I getting sticky again?
Going.
I can't speed, dude.
I know, I'm saying. Just try not to lose. I'm trying not to lose that thing. There we go. Yeah. Oh, people are stopping to watch.
Yeah, watch.
Holy. Look at it. how far I can get before it disappears.
See if I can get through
You have to send me this video so I can show people at work. 5 minutes and 57 seconds.
Oh, here we go, my smoke break.
Hey, hold on, man. Window, bad window. Okay. Maybe we should stop. Fuck. Holy crap, Dad, stop. Dad, no. Stop. Oh my. Dad, there's storm chasers.
Yeah.
There's really storm chasers out there. Yeah. Okay. Whew. That's a little scary, Dad. Dad, look, I got it recording. It's still recording.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
I need to get through this shit.
Hold on to your shitter, Dan. Holy crap.
I think I could have got past it.
I know.
Wow. Crazy.
I'm still recording, babe. Turn it off?
Nope.
We are sitting and watching the tornado go by.
Wow. It's crazy. What the hell is happening up there? You see that? That's the power lines.
Oh, shit. Okay, this is a little...
This is sketchy.
This is very scary, babe. Dude, don't get out of your car! Safest place is to be in your fucking car right now.